Step 1. Download Phantom Wallet and create your account in order to buy Solana. Step 2. Purchase Solana. Choose the amount you want to play with. Step 3. Choose from available providers, then click Buy and complete the buying process with one of the providers. Step 4. Visit Cat3.live and download the Cat3 Poker app. Choose the version for your device, Android, iOS, or desktop. Step 5. Register on the Cat3 Poker app. Activate your account using the link sent to your email address. Step 6. Open the Phantom Wallet and copy your wallet address for Solana. Step 7. Return to the Cat3 Poker app and go to your profile. Deposit and paste your Phantom Wallet address. Convert your Solana to chips. Check the conversion rate. 1 Solana equals 1,000 chips. Now copy the Cat3 wallet address in order to send your Solana from your wallet to the account in the app. Step 8. Click Send in your Phantom Wallet and paste the Cat3 wallet address previous copied. Your Solana will automatically convert to chips. Step 9. Join a poker table and start playing with your chips. Step 10. When you win, withdraw your money to the same wallet address you used for the deposit.